Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we are talking about what you see on the table right now. This is the Vertex Engine Rebuild Kit. If you are looking to completely rebuild your engine, and we have these available for dirt bikes, both 2-strokes and 4-strokes, we have them for ATVs, even some Polaris UTVs. But if you're looking to do a full engine rebuild and you want to save yourself a lot of time, you don't want to have to worry if you have all the right components, you don't want to have to go scour the OEM diagrams to find everything. This kit is what you need, and it's going to save you a lot of money because buying this kit all together is going to be cheaper than buying everything separately from the OEM diagrams. And when I say that these come with everything, I mean everything. It's going to come with your full top-end rebuild kit. So your piston, all your bearings, everything, your gasket kit is going to come for your bottom end. You're going to have your new crank. It's going to have every seal, every bearing, every gasket, everything you need. If your bike has a cam chain, it's going to come with a new cam chain. Your water pump seals, everything you need. You don't have to worry, did I get everything, when you buy one of these kits. But if you have any questions or comments about this, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To see if we have one for your bike or your ATV or UTV, it's very simple. You just click on the link in the description or go to RockyMountainATVMC.com. On the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of whatever bike or machine you have. And if your bike or machine is there, that means this kit will work for you. We ship for free over 75 bucks. Don't forget, how-to videos. If you've never done a top end or a complete bottom end, well, guess what? You're in luck. We have great how-to videos for both. We show you step by step. We're very detailed. We tell you all the tools you're going to need for the job. And so if you want to learn to do it from your own home, if you've never done it before, with the proper tools and those videos, it's something that you can learn to do, and it's going to save you a ton of money doing it yourself, not having to go to a mechanic, and you also gain some new knowledge. Questions, comments, down below. Get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you haven't already. Stay up to date on cool products like this. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.